everyone. I am here at the Circuit Factory once again. It's summer in Dubai right now. It's boiling hot outside, so I'm not going to be doing any garden workouts for a while. Unless maybe I film something in the evening, but for now I'll be doing my workouts indoors. So this is what I'm doing today. Total body workout. So I've been doing this for the last 12 weeks and it enables me to just hit all my muscle groups 3 times a week. I found it really convenient, in and out of the gym in under an hour, so I'm good to go. I'm going to film some snippets from the session. As always, keep on following the channel. More content like this is coming up as we go along the way. So I'll see you guys on the other side.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
Session complete. I did plan on doing some legs today, but I'm still suffering from a groin injury. So unfortunately I had to skip the leg bit. And this will probably end up being an upper body workout video. However, I hope you enjoy it. It's total body, apart from legs. And yeah, just keep on liking the channel and I'll see you next time. Let me know in the comments what you want me to do next time. I'm waffling, I've got to go.
I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling